Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is a Tuesday, 14th of September 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I help my traders to bank amazing profit today through live intraday analysis and the best trade of the day. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis of the review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD, as you know, if you look at the 4-hour, from yesterday we were long when the price basically broken above. And as I mentioned you, we were looking at long here, and we had such a nice, beautiful long trade and banked beautiful profit as soon as the price, when the price nicely hit at the resistance level. Let me share with you guys how I analyze. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis, feel free, there's a video link is given in the video description. And in yesterday analysis, as I mentioned you about this pullback, after the pullback we have, after the breakout, pullback long, so that give us the significant information. And in 4-hour we have seen this bullish engulfing candle was performed. So today technically we were expecting a long trade here, so that's what I did this analysis to explain to my trader. If the price is going to break, we should be taking a long trade. We had a very small long trade here, bank few PVs, and afterwards we had another analysis I did just before the news release. I explained to my trader price rejected at the 200 EMA, but we need a confirmation. If the price is going to break this previous low, that gonna give us the information that the price is going to reverse. Otherwise, as long as the momentum is bullish, we are expecting a pullback. Another one safer trade would be the breakout. As you can see here, price nicely respected the previous low, momentum was bullish and beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the major resistance level, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. So we had a beautiful long. As you can see, bias was long from yesterday after this big bullish engulfing candle. As you can see here, price nicely came back and retest. Beautiful trades on Euro USD. Okay, so pound dollar we had a good trades, and the dollar CAD we had a beautiful trades. Okay, so if you look at the pound dollar, from yesterday we were long, and I explained to my trader, this is the previous high from yesterday. Explained to my trader, if the price is going to break, then we're going to be keep taking a pullback long trade here. So we had such a nice, beautiful long trade here. And after the news release, and later on, once the price refused to maintain above this level, so we were taking a short trade here. Let me share with you the intraday analysis, how I analyze here and how I analyze here for the counter trade through intraday analysis. If I show you here, this is the first analysis I did at the Asian session. Even in the London morning session, we explained to my trader, look for this breakout, momentum was bullish, price was at this level, and that's what I explained to my traders to look for this breakout. So we can see here, price nicely broken above the previous high, momentum was bullish. As soon as the price hit to the first target, which is the fifth channel, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. And also I updated that analysis. Once we bank some profit, as you can see, explained to my trader, look like the price developed another bull flag pattern, and this is the previous high is broken. We had this long trade, so we're expecting another pullback at this level. Safest trade, look for this breakout. As you can see, momentum was bullish. We had this breakout. After the breakout, you can see here we have another pullback. Beautiful long trade. We had it as soon as the price hit about 139 level. As you can see, 139,000 level. At this level, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit, and let's see for another price action, because the news was just that time released. And afterwards, to be honest, we were expecting a pullback, right? Because the news was bad for the CAD, for the dollar. We were expecting a pullback. Let me explain to you how I analyze the market in real time. So I explained to my trader, as soon as we bank some profit, I did this analysis and explained to my trader, look for another pullback. As you can see here, did price develop a pullback? No, we haven't seen any green candle. So when the price almost respecting this level, explain to my trader, look at the bottom, momentum was bearish. So guys, possibility, we safest way for look if the price is going to break this, then we're looking here, otherwise short. So I said to this analysis is not valid anymore. So that's what I did, another analysis. That's the reason we communicate with our traders through live audio commentary, and that's what I updated this analysis instantly. And that's what I explained to my trader. These are the levels. If the price is going to break, then we'll consider pullback long here. And if the price is going to break this level, then we're probably going to be short trade here. So after the opening bell, you can see here, price nicely broken. And that's what we explained to my trader. It's time to take a trade and enjoying pipping. And let me share with you guys. That's the analysis. As you can see here, that's the analysis I did and explained to my trader based on the momentum. We can see here the price refused to stay above 139,000 level and also the previous level. That gives us the false breakout. Even now you can see here price nicely respected but did not respect it here, and the price nicely broken and small pullback and beautiful short trade. As soon as the price developed a double bottom here, because we just closed our London session, and as soon as the price hit this level, I explained to my trader enjoying pipping. So we have a beautiful short trade as I explained to you guys. That's what I explain every single day in real time to all of my traders to back amazing profit. All right, so let's dig into the dollar CAD. We had amazing trade, banked beautiful pips this morning. Just before news we were short and banked beautiful pips, and then afterwards we were long and banked few more pippies. Let me share with you guys how I analyze in intraday and bank beautiful pips. If I show you this analysis, let me make it slightly bigger. Okay, so this is the analysis I did in London morning session. As you can see, just before London open, look for this breakout. Mainly we're looking for this consolidation. I explained to my trader, look for this breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken and another pullback short trade here, bank beautiful pips. As soon as the price hit to the resistance support level, that's what we explained to my trader, it banks to some profit. And afterwards the news was bad for the dollar, but we were expecting a pullback at this level. As you can see, price did not develop any pullback. So let me share with you guys again, exactly the same like pound dollar. So we had, once we banked this profit, then I did this analysis for look for this pullback. I explained to my trader how we should be looking into it. You can see here the price did not develop pullback. We haven't seen any red candle at all. Then I said, then again, possibility of this one pullback. But as you can see, we haven't seen any red candle at all. That's what we explained to trader. That's why this intraday system help us. You can see we haven't seen any red candle. And afterwards, as soon as the price broken this level, explained to my trader, looks like this is the false breakout and this is the false breakout. So now we have a situation. If the price want to continue, the best way to look at, we should be looking at, because the price was at the came back again to the previous consolidation, even in 4 hour you can see it. So as I explained to my trader, look for breakout. So you can see here, as soon as the price broken, price nicely hit this resistance level, and that's why we explained to my trader it's time to bank some profit. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. That's what I did. Exactly, you can see here, that's what I did, because the price refused. Price broken the previous high, did not retest, breaking on this one and breaking this one. As soon as the price broken and hit this resistance level, and that's what we explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. As you can see, that's what happened every single day in real time, because that's why our intraday system help us to refine our entries and exit. Because if you don't see any red candle pullback, we don't consider it. So you can see we had amazing trades today, beautiful trades, most of them bank beautiful pips. We have a pound Swiss franc lately. This is the last trade breakout. As you can see here, such a nice beautiful breakout short trade. We have an amazing breakout trade, beautiful on pound yen. As you can see here, this was the breakout. after the breakout, pullback long, pullback short, another pullback short, another pullback short. As soon as the price hits the support level, explain to my traders to bank some profit. We have an amazing trade, all of them. If you look at the Euro USD, Aussie dollar, that was a beautiful explain to my trader, exactly like a dollar CAD. Look for breakout long or this one, because we were watching in 4 hour. Based on that, price nicely broken this low and beautiful. As soon as the price hit to the previous level, explain my traders to back some profit. You can see all that analysis in real time in intraday, and that's what helped traders to bank some profit. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always telling you guys, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. And the most important thing is you're going to develop your trading skill in real time. And that's my main objective, to train people with a live market instantly, where they can see it live, market live analysis, and the live support. If they have a confusion, they can use our chat system, ask the analyst, you know, what about this? Is there any opportunity? We give them feedback instantly in real time. And once the trader develop their trading skill, or once you're going to develop your trading skill, and if you produce consistency result in our virtual platform, then I can also help you to get funded from prop firms. So if you are interested how I train and coach people through live intraday analysis in real time, and how I help them to get funded, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. Availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Myself or one of my professional trader will help you, that is happy to help you and show you how you can be a successful trader and also get funded. So if you are interested, feel free. And even if you are an experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Until next time, all the best.